In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create and drop database and tables. So first of all, we connect Postico to uh, PostgreSQL database and we start terminal. And in the terminal, first of all, we type PSQL, press enter. So we connect it. And to create a database, we just simply type create database name, press enter. Yeah, so it says create database. So here we refresh and we can see a list of available database and the new database name as well. So to drop that database, just simply type drop database name and then press enter. So drop database name, semicolon at the end, and then press enter. And it says drop database. Here we refresh and database is gone. Okay, so one more time we create the same database. Okay, so press enter, create database, and here we can see a list of database. So \l, so the new database is here. Refresh. Okay, we can see the new database name. We just close our Postico and in the terminal. So if we need to create a table into the database, so first of all we need to connect to the database. So simply type \c database name, press enter, and now you are connected to the database. And here we type a create table name, start brackets, press enter. So the first column name will be ID and type will be the big serial because we want to make that column auto increment and it should not be empty, so we just type not null, and we also define it as a primary key as well, comma at the end, press enter. So the second column name will be the first name and type will be the varchar and size we make it a 50 and we make it a not null as well, comma at the end, press enter. And the third column will be the last name, type varchar and size we make it a 50 and also not empty, so not null, comma at the end, press enter. And the fourth column will be the gender, type varchar, we make it 50, again not null, comma at the end, and then press enter. And the next column will be the email, we make it a type varchar and we make it a with the size will be 90 and we make it empty, so it's not mandatory to put your email. Okay, press enter. And the last one is the date of birth and the type will be varchar, or we make it a uh, type date. Okay, not null, comma, press enter, or we make it a last column, so just close a bracket, semicolon, enter, so it says create table. So to see that list of the table, just \d, press enter. Here we can see the table name. So if you want to see it in a more detail, so we just simply type uh, \d and the table name, press enter, and here we can see it in a more detail, like with the column name, column type, and the primary key as well. And so just to drop that table, we type drop table, table name, semicolon at the end, and press enter, and it says drop table. So if we type again \d, press enter, it says did not find any relation, so that table is not available, it's been deleted.